So if your life looks fine on paper, but feels really tight in your body, this one's for you. Most women are not stuck because they lack ambition. They're stuck because their nervous system has learned that visibility, wealth, and success comes at a cost. And until that cost feels safe for you, you'll consistently and unconsciously choose comfort over expansion every time. If part of you wants more money, but the other parts, parts of you seem to shut it down every time, it's not a motivational problem. It's a feeling of safety problem. If you've ever said, I can't afford that, I could never earn that, that's not for people like me, or I'm not good enough. Your brain heard that as a survival instruction. There is something that I want to speak to today that is not about the hustle, and it's not about just positive thinking, and it's not about working harder. It's about your nervous system. Because your nervous system is not designed to make you rich, it's designed to make you safe. And safety to your brain means familiar, not successful, not fulfilled, not familiar. So if you grew up hearing things like money causes stress, rich people are selfish, don't get ahead of yourself, who do you think you are, be realistic, be grateful for what you have, your subconscious mind didn't interpret those as opinions. Your subconscious mind stores them as instructions. Neuroscience shows that the subconscious mind runs up to 95% of our daily actions and our daily decisions. That means that your income is not just coming from your strategy, it's coming from your conditioning. Dr. Bruce Lipton speaks about this beautifully. He explains that most of our belief systems are formed before the age of 7, when our brain is highly programmable. Yeah, it's so open, which means you're not choosing many of the beliefs that we operate from as adults. We inherited them. And here's where it gets really interesting, right? Your nervous system's job is to align you, or to keep you aligned with what it believes is safe. So your subconscious mind, or if your subconscious mind believes more money means perhaps losing people, yeah, friendships, maybe that you're going to be judged, being successful means isolation from all that you've known, it will subtly keep you away from it. Not because you're lazy, not because it thinks that it's protecting you. Dr. Joe Dispenza talks about how the brain seeks to confirm what it already knows. Your nervous system will literally filter reality to match your beliefs. This is proven in science. So when you say, I can't afford that, your brain does not just hear a statement, it hears a boundary. Then it goes to work reinforcing it. It notices evidence, it avoids opportunities, it keeps you playing small. And what it thinks is just like this nice little square, neat, safe box that's good enough for you. Because familiarity equals safe. And this is why so many women want change, but unconsciously fall back into what they've always known. Familiar stress, familiar income, and familiar struggles. Because uncertainty feels like danger. And even if uncertainty is the doorway to everything that they say that they want. And this is why it's so important to understand this stuff, especially if you are ready for change and if you're driven to actually create that for yourself. So here's the empowering part, neuroplasticity. Our brains can change. You can change your brain. You're not stuck with the beliefs that you were given. But change requires something of your nervous system. And it's something that your nervous system doesn't actually love. It's honesty. Honesty about what you actually believe. Honesty about the stories that you're still protecting. And honesty as to whether success feels exciting or lonely. Because many women carry the unconscious equation that says success equals losing love. Yeah, we're going down deep in the layers here, which means staying where you are is not a weakness, it's loyalty. You don't shift with visions board, you shift with the awareness of and taking new action. Action is what tells your nervous system that this is safe now, that this is allowed, and this is who we are becoming. It's an evolution versus a revolution where you just keep going around in circles doing the same thing, wondering why, you're not actually creating what it is that you're physically perhaps working so hard to try to achieve. So the real question is not, do you want more? The real question is, does your nervous system feel safe having more? Because if not, you'll unknowingly continue to push it away. Your income will only grow as much as you're willing to grow, not just in a skill. It's in identity, it's in your safety, it's in your self worth. And this is where the real change begins. So, this landed for you. The next video, I'll speak into why women secretly associate success with loneliness and loss. Because until that shifts, more money, earning more money will never feel safe for you.